Hey, I'm Alex and I just started learning the guitar, so I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on how to play Happy Birthday, which is the only song I know so far. This video is great for beginners since I'm a beginner myself. That means no experience necessary. So let's get started. Okay, so for the first section, we'll be starting with the third string open. Then place your middle finger on the third string second fret. Then back to third string open. Then place your index finger on the second string first fret. Then second string open. So we have second section is similar to the first with one note change, starting with the third string open again. Then middle finger on the third string second fret. Back to open. With the switch up of the third finger on the second string third fret. And then index on the second string first fret. So second section is third section, starting with the third string open. And place your third finger on the first string third fret. Then first string open. Then second string index finger on the first fret. Then second string open. Ending with the third string second fret. So we have ending with the last section, fourth section, starting with the first string index on the first fret. First string open. Index on the second string first fret. Then third finger on the second string third fret. Then back to the second string first fret. So part 4